Hey everybody! If you're trying to protect your battery on your Samsung Galaxy device and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the method for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the settings application for that. And once you open up the settings app, you can scroll down and look out for the battery option directly within your settings. Battery and device care and tap on it. After that, select the battery option here. And within battery, what you can do is you can look out for this option called battery protection or power saving. So first off, I can turn on this option called power saving. And right below it, we have this option called protect battery. If you turn this option right here, it will extend the lifespan of your battery and limit the maximum charge to 85%. So you just need to turn the switch and select the desired option. You can look out for those available modes depending upon your One UI version. And that should obviously protect your battery right there. And apart from that, what you can do is if you turn on that option, it won't be charged fully. It will charge at a maximum point, such as 85% to 95%. It will resume. So while you are asleep, you can switch to basic before you wake up based on your user's patterns. And if there are a very high consuming applications on your device that are not reliable, you can just go and look out for those devices, applications, and install it by tapping on the install option. And that should also probably fix the issue. And also head over to your settings and scroll down and look out for your software update and tap on it. And also update your software to the latest version, because on older software versions the feature simply limits to the charge of 85%. You can make to 95% sometimes on the newest ones. And that's it, everybody. You can just go and look out for battery care tips as well. Those should also help you with the battery protection. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.